Hi, everybody. Hallo alle miteinander. Today, I really wanted to talk to you about an amazing feature on YouTube, which really helps you to learn any language and also allows you to watch a lot more videos than you thought you could and understand them. So basically, today I'm going to be speaking about the feature that you not only can turn on the subtitle of any video that you're watching, but did you know that you can also change the language of that subtitle? That is actually an incredible feature. So today, I'm going to show you how to change the language of the subtitle of the video that you're watching. So let me just share my screen with you. I've picked one of my own videos. Okay, all right, here we go. So just to show you, I'm just going to play this video and I'm going to mute myself. So now just to show you actually, first of all, so just any video, this is, for example, in English, this video. And so what you're going to do, you press settings. And just first of all, to turn on the subtitle, to be able to change the language, you have to, first of all, turn the subtitle on. So this video is so these subtitles are auto-generated, which of course sometimes it means they're not really as brilliant, but you still know what the video is actually about, what you're talking about in the video. Now, to change the language of the subtitle, so we've had, this one is the English auto-generator. It's actually really good because earlier I found one of my videos, it wouldn't give me English, it would give me Dutch. I don't know why. So I don't know what happened there. But yeah, so if you have the English or auto-generated subtitle, so what you do, you can click on that. And you see here, now I've got actually the option to either turn it off again or to auto-translate. And the auto-translate, look at that. It gives you an incredible amount of languages to choose. So let's just say I could, okay, the video is in German anyway, but I can change the subtitle to German. There are even some commas in there. But as you can see, you know, it's like I said, it's also auto-generated. There's some capitals, sometimes there aren't any capitals, so it totally varies. But it's actually pretty good, really pretty good. And you can do this for any language that you're using. So as I said, you just click onto the subtitles. So this one is now German. I can change it by just clicking the auto-translate again. And I'm just picking any other language. So try it out. I mean, which other language can we use? We can just check on Danish, for example. Again, changes the language right away. The good thing, for example, is when you are recording within a video, and you can actually change the language between different language. So you can have German on, then you can quickly change it back to English if you wanted to know a little bit, and then back to German if you want to learn a little bit from it as well, because the subtitles are also great to learn from, learn new words. And I talk about it in one of my videos where you're learning through checking out the words on the subtitles. So, but anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Let me just stop sharing for a moment. I hope you enjoyed this and try it out. It's really fantastic. So this is a brilliant feature, whether you're learning a language or if you just want to watch videos that interest you. But for learning a language, it's actually fabulous of watching things that you really want to learn about, and they may be in the wrong language for you. So you can change it into any language you want. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed that, and subscribe to my channel. Would be really great to have you here. There's lots more to come. See you then. Tschüss.